Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Boox Go Color 7 not turning on. If your device is not turning on, then make sure to hold the power button for a longer period of time. So even up to half a minute, you may want to hold it. Well, my device works properly, so I can't really simulate a broken device. So I'll just demonstrate. But these are the solutions that should work based on how the device works. So let's press and hold on the power button for a longer period of time. You can see when it's plugged into power, it's weird that it takes more time, but yeah, you just hold it for longer, up to half a minute, as I said, and that may help. Well, if it doesn't, then make sure to charge it for at least an hour. Just plug it in and don't touch it. Plug it in for at least an hour and make sure you are plugging it in to a wall charger, not a weak laptop USB port or something like that. Just a good wall charger that is able to charge your phone at an acceptable speed. Try using that charger to charge this device. Devices can appear completely dead when battery is critically low, and sometimes the battery icon doesn't appear immediately. So just leave it charging even if nothing appears on the screen. You can also try another cable and charger and also another power outlet in case you need it. Then you can also do a force reboot while charging, which works surprisingly often. Some Boox devices only recover while external power cord is connected. So I'll turn off. I'll get back to you in a moment when it just goes into this like charging mode. Although I could start pressing now, but I'll just wait a moment. Okay, and now while the cable is plugged in, wait for a moment. Then hold the power button for up to 20 seconds until anything changes on the screen. You can hold for even longer, of course. Release it. That may help. You can try doing it a few times. Make sure that it was charging for at least an hour. Yeah, that is basically it when it comes to these like typical fixes. One more thing is booting into recovery mode, but that will require your device to turn on to some point. Maybe not to the whole system, but at least to some point. Although, even if it doesn't, you may still want to try. Even if the screen doesn't change anything, you may still want to try, but I'm not sure if it works with a charger, so I'll just unplug it. You may test it out with a charger. I just don't want to waste your time trying different kinds of whether it's working or not. I'll hold it like that because it's more visible when I'm pressing the button now. And you need to press the button, press and hold on it for about 8 seconds, and then release and press on it 5 times in a row shortly. So let's do it. Now press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see if it does anything. The screen should flash 3 times on this particular device, and yes, as you can see, I am in Android recovery, and that may fix some software issues that may prevent your device from boot. What you should do here is well, you can try to just reboot to system, but if you try it and it doesn't work, then there's a high chance it won't work. But first, let's talk about how to navigate here. Use the volume buttons to navigate up or down, and the power button to approve something. And well, the method that has the highest chance of working here is resetting your device. And I know that may sound pretty brutal because it deletes all your data, but well, if nothing else is working and you were able to get to the recovery, there's a high chance this will work. So I'll do it. I'll just click on the power button once wipe data is selected. Let's go down, click on the power button. But yeah, remember, it deletes all your data. Now, reboot system now, and it'll open the system. Now, another thing that you may want to do is let the battery fully drain before, like if it still didn't turn on, then you may want to let the battery fully drain, then recharge. So you may want to leave the device unplugged for maybe a few days even. If it's not turned on, then you need to leave it for a few days, otherwise it just won't do anything, right? Because if it's turned off, it won't discharge like overnight. Then try reconnecting the charger, wait for 60 minutes, try the long press boot, and yeah, this can reset a stuck battery controller. You can also try removing magnetic cases that may interfere somehow. I'm not saying they will, but I'm saying you may want to try removing magnetic cases. You may want to remove SD cards, USB devices, OTG adapters. If your device gets unusually hot or completely cold while charging, this may indicate battery or motherboard issues, and you may want to just contact service. Or if none of the fixes fixed anything, then you may want to contact service. You can see, by the way, that it's reset, so I don't have anything here now. I don't have an account here. I have nothing. And in a try a different power source also, you may want to try like other USB ports, other like power banks sometimes, or like anything else. So you may want to contact support if there's no LED, no charging response, no screen flash, no vibration, multiple chargers fail. And you can mention battery failure, or also it may be charging port damage or motherboard issues, so there may be multiple issues there. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.